everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. SBX and the Mooch tie the knot as FTX Ventures takes 30% stake of Skybridge Capital. Scaramucci calls Bankman-Fried part of the small universe of outside investors Skybridge would ever consider partnering with promises Skybridge's investment strategy will not change. FTX Ventures, an arm of Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX crypto exchange, will acquire a 30% stake in alternative asset manager Skybridge Capital. The firms announced Sept 9. The terms of the deal were not disclosed, but Skybridge will use 40 million of the proceeds to purchase cryptocurrencies to hold as a long-term investment, according to statement. Skybridge founder and managing partner Anthony Scaramucci said about the deal on Twitter. There is a small universe of outside investors Skybridge would ever consider partnering with, and SBF FTX is one of them. He added separately, this won't significantly impact our day-to-day business and doesn't change our strategy. We will remain a diversified asset firm while investing heavily in blockchain. Skybridge managed about $2.5 billion, including over $800 million in digital assets as of June 30, according to its website. There is a small universe of outside investors Skybridge would ever consider partnering with, and SBF FTX is one of them. Sam is the real deal and, in my opinion, is building FTX official into the Amazon of financial services. He even has me dressing like a millennial. Scaramucci Algo. The two firms collaborated on the South Skybridge Alternative conferences and the Crypto Bahamas conference for the past year. Bankman-Fried told CNBC, "We've gotten to know the team over the last year. We've been really excited about what been doing. From the investment angel growing out the community, the digital asset community, and the traditional asset community, bringing them together." Skybridge began investing in Bitcoin in 2020, and Scaramucci has become a focal proponent of crypto since then. The firm has been relatively untouched by the meltdown of the crypto market, although it announced the suspension of withdrawals from its crypto-exposed Legion Strategies Fund in July. Bankman-Fried's firms have entered into a flurry of acquisition activity since the crypto winter began. Bankman-Fried bought a 7.6% share in online brokerage Robinhood in May. FTX US extended a 400 million revolving credit to BlockFi, and FTX offered to buy out some of the debts of bankrupt Voyager Digital in July. It has also made inroads into traditional finance. Data from Bitcoin processor suggests crypto winter is not affecting widespread adoption. What impact will the crypto winter have on mainstream adoption, and will it push the industry back in its quest to make digital assets an everyday method of payment? If it wasn't devastating enough for investors to see cryptocurrencies lose nearly $2 trillion in value since the height of the 2021 rally, analysts have predicted that the most recent plunge is a traditional market pullback. Instead of distinguishing Between a market pullback and a long-term decline, the industry has already shown signs of the more dreaded crypto winter. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.